Now this is Christmas season and you can see that LED stands everywhere. In this video we are just opening an LED stand to see what is inside in this stand. So you can see if you open the back side, then you can using your finger you can simply take out the back portion. So you can see an arrangement like this. Okay, now we have completely open. So if any connection is missing, you can simply, if your star is not glowing and any connection is missing, you can simply check out everything is connected properly. So you can adjust this. If any one thing is missing, you can simply do it using your finger. If any connection is missing, you can simply adjust like this. And this is the wire that you must connect to your electricity socket, and these are the circuit you can see. I hope this video is something interesting. For more videos, subscribe and stay with Engineers Online. Thank you.